Yo, what is going on, guys? Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you my IngramSpark royalties for the year so far, or since basically February when I started this new IngramSpark account. So this is a totally different account with totally new books. Obviously, my books here to the right are going to be blurred out. Obviously, I can't show you exactly what niches I'm in myself on this new IngramSpark account. But what I can show you is the new IngramSpark dashboard, the new way that it all works, and yeah, just a bit of information about the royalties so far. So you can see this is probably the easiest way to look at it. We started in February, we got 18 print sales. March, we had 9 print sales. April, we had 50. This was just a bulk order of one book 50 times, which is pretty amazing. This month in May, we didn't seem to have any print orders. Then we dropped down to 2, and then we had 62. So I think, again, this was a different book, but ordered in bulk 50 times again, plus 12 more books. And then August, 14, pretty consistent, 14. And now for October so far, 16. And then to go to the digital, this is the ebook sales. February was 0. I don't think I had any ebooks at that point. And then 2, then 24, 29, 42, 52, 74, 76. You can see this is scaling slowly as well, which is really nice to see. And yeah, this basically just shows you the same thing. 185 print books and 299 digital books. Now, what you will notice, or what you should know, is that these print books have a way higher royalty, both than on KDP and also way higher than the digital books. So for a lot of these digital sales, you're not even getting $1 on all of them. The IngramSpark royalties for ebooks are actually pretty low. So you'll see that, yeah, okay, in the last 30 days, there was like, what's that? Well, this is basically last month, so that's like 76 orders. So that's like 76 ebooks, but that's probably only around like $100 or something, so it's nothing special. Whereas for the paperback books, you're getting, when I set the prices at least, I'm getting like at least $5, $6, $7 royalty on each one. So although this is way smaller, 185 compared to 299, the royalties of this are actually way larger. You can see here as well the categories, doesn't give too much away. We've got juvenile, which is basically kids non-fiction, and then we've got business and economics, 40%, and also study aids, 20%. In terms of countries, you can see if we set this to year to date, this is also very, very useful. So you can see we got 9 in Australia, we got 1 in Indonesia, maybe somebody in Bali wanted to buy a little book from us. We got 1 in the Russian Federation, 5 in Germany, 31 in France, 70 in the United Kingdom, 4 in Canada, and 355 so far this year in the United States. So what we can do now is go and look at the compensation, or basically the royalties, and you can see this top one is the most recent payment. So this is the one that was paid last month, so on the 21st of September. So £69.69, and this is the unpaid compensation. So if we go to October, this is what I'm going to be getting at the end of this month, and these are the sales from July. So the way that Ingram works is the sales and the royalties are a month behind KDP. So KDP is the end of the month plus 2 months when you get the royalties, but Ingram is an extra month, so it's the end of the month plus 3 months. And that's why we're only just getting paid from July's sales now. So you can see it was 118 orders worth £589 minus the print charge, minus the distribution charge. The net compensation is £373.54 after a couple of returns. So that's really awesome. But what you should know is that look, most of this is coming from print books. So only the digital here and the digital here is from ebooks. So like I said, around £100, whereas the bulk of it is coming from the print. So while ebooks are nice on IngramSpark, you do want to try and get as many print royalties as you can. But this is basically just the new Ingram dashboard. And if you go to the old one, you can see how much harder and much more complicated it was to see the royalties. So you had to go on this all separately. So you had to go on the ebook sales report, press the country, press the currency you want, and then generate it, and then do it for the agency, and then do it for all the other countries. And you had to do the exact same for the print sales. So I'll just quickly show you what I mean. You had to choose your date, then you had to choose your country, then you had to choose just one currency. It wouldn't let you choose more than one. Then you had to choose whether you wanted to look at print on demand or global connect, and then you would look at the number. But then it's all going to be in different currencies as well. So you're then having to do all the currency conversions yourself in your head, and then add it all up, whereas now it's way easier, and you can just go on the new reports, go on compensation, wait till a month or so later, and it's going to show you what you're going to get paid and when. So it was definitely a much needed recent improvement from IngramSpark, and yeah, if you want more videos from me, get this video to, let's set the bar low because we've not been on YouTube for a while. Let's just say 20 likes. If this video gets to 20 likes, I'll also show you my Findaway Voices royalty report from last month. The Findaway Voices royalties are actually higher than these Ingram ones, so it will be cool if I can share those with you guys as well. So yeah, like the video, subscribe if you want more videos. We're trying to get 10k subs, and yeah, I'll see you and speak to you very soon.